Good morning, everyone. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through TikTok, Instagram, or the internet late into the night, unable to stop? You're not alone. That behaviour has a name, and that's called doomscrolling. So, what is doomscrolling? It's the habit of endlessly consuming negative or mindless content, especially before bed, and it seriously affects sleep and mental health. Here's what you need to know and how to fix it. TikTok is the first to launch a new feature to fight bedtime scrolling. Starting at 10 p.m, the app will display full screen meditation guides instead of your usual feed. These screens are intentionally hard to dismiss, offering breathing exercises and calming visuals that gently interrupt your scrolling streak. The goal? To nudge you offline and help you recognise when it's time to unplug. This is going to be put in place for all under 18s. The reason why this is necessary? Because doom scrolling leads to poor sleep quality, eye strain, increased anxiety, lack of focus the next day. It becomes a cycle, and breaking it takes conscious effort. So here are 5 practical tips to help reduce your screen time and stop the scroll spiral. So tip 1, set app limits. Use built-in features like screen time on iOS or digital well-being on Android to limit social apps to 30 to maybe 60 minutes per day. Once the limit is hit, your phone will block access, a simple but effective barrier. Number 2, use a real alarm clock. Charging your phone in another room removes the temptation to reach for it at bedtime. Bonus, you'll sleep better without blue light. Tip 3, try grayscale mode. Switch your phone to black and white at night. I know it sounds a bit weird, but give it a go. Colours are stimulating. Grayscale makes everything look dull, making apps far less attractive and addictive. Number 4, schedule a wind down routine. Try reading a physical book, journaling, or listening to calming music 30 minutes before bed. Replace the habit instead of just removing it. Tip 5, turn off autoplay. Disable video autoplay on TikTok, YouTube and Instagram. It forces a natural pause and gives you the chance to ask, do I really want to keep watching and keep going? Tech platforms like TikTok are starting to step in, but real change starts with small daily habits and with you. Break the cycle, protect your sleep and take back your time. So until next time, have a great half term and we look forward to seeing you after the break. Bye bye.